Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any plant lover or home decorator. The BLEUM CADE Fake Hanging Plants. This set of artificial pothos vines is designed to bring the beauty of nature indoors without the hassle of maintenance, making it the best choice for those seeking greenery in their living spaces. Let's take a closer look at what makes these artificial hanging plants a fantastic addition to your home decor. The BLEUM CADE set includes two pieces of lifelike pothos ivy vines, each measuring an impressive 43 inches in length. These vines boast vibrant colors and realistic details, offering a touch of lush greenery to any corner of your home. One of the standout features of these plants is their high-quality construction. Made from durable, non-toxic PVC plastic, they are designed to withstand the test of time. Unlike real plants, which require constant care and attention, these artificial vines need no sunlight or water. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth every once in a while to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. But that's not all. To enhance the realism of this product, BLEUM CADE includes beautiful artificial butterflies as a complimentary gift. This thoughtful addition adds an extra layer of charm to your decor, making these vines not just a plant, but a statement piece in any room. Versatility is another key advantage. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or office, these vines can be used in a multitude of ways. Hang them from walls, drape them over shelves, or even let them cascade from window sills. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, allowing you to create an inviting atmosphere on your balcony, patio, or garden. For those who live in urban areas or have a busy lifestyle, these fake hanging plants are an ideal solution. They offer the aesthetic benefits of real plants without the challenges of upkeep. No more worrying about watering schedules or dealing with wilting leaves. With BLEUM CADE's hanging plants, you can enjoy a beautifully green space year-round. In terms of pricing, the BLEUM CADE fake hanging plants are very affordable. Regularly listed at $14.99, they are currently available for just $9.99. Giving you a significant saving while enhancing your home decor. To wrap it up, the BLEUM CADE fake hanging plants truly stand out as the best pothos fake plant option on the market. They combine quality, realism, and versatility, making them a smart investment for anyone looking to add a touch of nature to their space. If you're interested in transforming your home into a serene and inviting environment, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tips on the best products out there. Until next time, keep your spaces green and beautiful.